In this video, you'll learn how to set up Elevenlabs in n8. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate Elevenlabs into your n8n workflow automation platform. This process will enhance your automation capabilities with voice generation features provided by Elevenlabs INS. To start, access your n8n workflow automation by navigating to the appropriate URL. Ensure you are logged into your n8n account to proceed. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Add button on the interface. This button allows you to add new nodes to your workflow. Next, type Elevenlabs into the search bar that appears after clicking Add. As you type, suggestions will populate below the search field, and this helps you find the specific integration you need. Select the option labeled Interact with Elevenlabs API from the list. This selection will allow you to interact with the Elevenlabs API within your n8n workflows. After that, click on the Install Node button to incorporate the Elevenlabs API node into your n8n setup. This action may take a moment, and you will see a loading indicator as the installation process completes. Once the installation is finished, you will be able to configure the node for your specific needs. Once the node is installed, locate and click on the option labeled Get a Voice. This feature allows you to retrieve voice samples from Elevenlabs. Following this, you will need to establish a connection with your Elevenlabs account. Click on the Credential to Connect With option to proceed with the authentication process. Next, select the Create New Credential option. This action will prompt you to enter your Elevenlabs API key. To obtain this key, you must visit the Elevenlabs website. Go to the section dedicated to developers, where you will find the option for API keys. Click on Developers to access the relevant page. After navigating to the Developers page, click on API Keys. This section allows you to manage your API keys. To create a new key, click on the Create Key button. You may need to repeat this step if prompted to create multiple keys. Once the key is generated, be sure to click on Copy to Clipboard to easily transfer it. Now return to your n8n dashboard, paste the copied API key into the appropriate field in the Elevenlabs node you previously set up. This step is crucial as it authenticates your connection with Elevenlabs. After pasting the key, click on the Save button to finalize the setup. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your credentials have been successfully saved. That wraps up today's guide on setting up Elevenlabs in n8n. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.